In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Constant Contact. This is a great way to connect with your audience and enhance your email marketing efforts by making it easier for recipients to find and follow your social media profiles. Let's dive right into the process. First, open the email editor in your Constant Contact account. Once you have your email template ready, you'll want to focus on adding those social media icons to step up that connectivity game. On the left side of the editor, you'll notice a variety of blocks and tools you can use to customize your email. Look for the block titled Social Follow. This is what we'll be using to add your social media icons. Click and hold the Social Follow block, then drag it to the desired location within your email. This could be in a header, footer, or any section where it fits naturally. After positioning the block, it's time to select the social media services you want to include. In the toolbar on the left, you'll see options for different platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Carefully consider where your audience is most active and choose the ones where you have active profiles. Remember, less is more, so it's usually beneficial to stick to the platforms that your audience uses the most. Once you've chosen the social media services, the next crucial step is to enter the unique URL for each social media profile. This will create a direct link from the icons in your email to your social media pages. Make sure each URL is accurate to avoid broken links, as this is a simple yet vital aspect of ensuring that your audience can easily navigate to and follow your pages. Now that the functional elements are set, you have the opportunity to customize the appearance and order of these icons to suit your branding efforts. On the toolbar, you'll find customization options to tweak the style, size, and alignment of the icons. Consistency with your brand's aesthetics can reinforce your brand identity and make your emails more visually appealing. Finally, don't forget to save your customized settings for future use. Constant Contact allows you to save these preferences so you don't have to repeat the customization process every time. This can save you time and effort in the long run, ensuring that your emails maintain a consistent look and feel. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added social media icons to your Constant Contact email. This small addition can significantly enhance your email marketing by bridging the gap between your communication efforts and social media presence. Remember, the key is to make it as easy as possible for your audience to find and follow your social media profiles, further building that all-important community around your brand. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.